now it starts to look like the typical gravy brown. Yes? So we want to get this color. So in essence, you go around Paisley and you will be promoting vegetarian diet. Already, psychologically, the color alone starts to remind them of sausage and beef. Yes? Yeah, you see, they have to cross so many barriers. Firstly, they have to cross over into vegetarianism. That's a barrier. Then if the gravy doesn't look the color that you're used to, it's another stumbling block. So at least try to eliminate a lot of those objections before they arrive. So start off with this nice, rich color gravy, of which we'll be adding our sausages. No, there are different types, as I said. This is just one type of sausages. You can be flexible which one you want to use. If you want to use a pop star sausage, use a pop star. If you want to use a pop star white sausage, use that one. If you want to use a homemade one, go. But the reality is, you're getting an essence of sausage and gravy.
I don't know how it's going to
The typical sausage will be bigger than these ones, but so now that it's come to the boil, you can see you've got that nice rich consistency. There's not a lot of grease, as you can see. It's just the stock, a little oil, the onion. You turn it down now. Now that it comes to the boil, you turn it down and we cover it and let it simmer away. Yeah? The potato is done. We'll show that off later. The asparagus, nice and soft. No, in terms of the asparagus, it varies with people. If you're working with many senior citizens, chances are they'll prefer it softer for various reasons, because of their dental work, etc. But for the younger generation, more big time, like university students, they like a crunch on it. So you have to think about who you're catering for at a particular event in the future. And the carrot will be the same thing. Some people want a crunch on it, but the older ones would want it as soft as possible, so it's easy for consumption. No, the potato, as I said, it's already taken care of. It's soft, easy to work, even the elderly can cut meat quite nicely. So we've got a balanced diet. We've got our protein, and you know protein contains much amino acids, different types of amino acids, over 20 different types, and they have various functions in the body in terms of replacing one or tissue, help to build different parts of the body, maintain chemical systems in the body, because they're all made from protein, blood cells, etc. Most of the fibers are made from protein. So this is our protein-based dish, but even in it, we've got vegetables. Now, chances are you might not get most of the vitamins from it because it is stewed out. So we go to our vegetables that have the vitamins. It's steamed, the vitamins are maintained. And that's what we have here, which is important. Vitamins and minerals help in metabolic reaction for, the transfer of energy, for homeostasis to occur. We all need vitamins to interact as enzymes to go between chemicals to make it work. And we've got potato. It's pretty much the powerhouse, contain a lot of carbohydrate in the form of starch. This is the powerhouse that gives energy. The body needs energy. If it's not potato, it will get it from fat. If it's not fat, it will get it from protein. You don't want it to get it from the body's protein, because then you start to lose muscle, which we need. So we get our nice powerhouse pack. This is good also for the exercise, the prolonged period an hour or so forth. You get the carbohydrates there, and then you have all the energy to help with all the energy required in the body for every process to work well. So this is a balanced diet. Thank you very much.
Door Kuma 1? D Kuma 1 or something?